Hey guys, welcome back to the channel again, and today in this video we're gonna draw this beautiful man on A4 size. Let's start it. So the basic thing, you need to make grids, and after making grid just do the outline. And I like to start with face because it's a complicated place, That's so much emotions, eyes, nose and so much stuff. So do the face first, and then you can do whatever part you like. So this sketch order was on A4 size paper, and I really prefer A4 size because it's like perfect size to order or gift or to make a frame. Yeah, all kind of balanced, because A5, A1, A2 a bit of complicated. So I didn't able to record the whole process, and here's the sketch. And if you like the way I shoot my videos or record the videos, like this sort, I like this one, and then just do a comment. That will make me happy a lot. And I just did a bit of background here because this man in the frame looking like very alone or not very attractive, so I just make a bit of background, and I think it's look good. And I really like to give an idea to you guys that whenever you make a sketch for like frame, please leave a border, a white base. Like here you can see I just left about 1 centimeter, but you can do like 1 inches, 2 inches, or maybe half inches, because that's give a very good look on frame. The framing shop also can do that, like they can give you a white border, but that expensive more, like you have to pay extra cost for that. And if you leave the place like a white border for yourself, like by yourself, it's just gonna save so much money of it. So please do that, because it's look amazing on frames, and it look more amazing if you have a background like black and then white border, and then just frame it into black frame. Wow, I really like this combination, and I hope you enjoy this video. Just drop a comment below. I love to read your comments, guys. And subscribe this channel for more artistic videos. Have a great day. See you soon. Bye. Hello.